How's it going? This is the unboxing for McDonald's Battleship by Hasbro Games. He is number 8 in the collection. Here's the instructions. For 2 players, each player takes a blank game sheet and a game sheet with printed ships. The players each hang up their blank sheet and place their game sheets with printed ships in the tray in front of them. Pencil. Blank sheet and game sheet. Okay, players take turns guessing coordinates for the other player's ships. For example, A5, and sharing the pencil to mark on the game sheets if it's a hit with an X or a miss with an O. When all the circles on the ship have been hit, then the ship is sunk. A player wins when they sink all of their opponent's battleships. And that is the unboxing for McDonald's Battleship by Hasbro Games. Not bad. Thanks for watching.